Hey everybody, welcome back to another quick video. I just wanted to do a quick review on these Jeep door inserts. They're only 15 bucks and are actually made of aluminum powder coated, and I thought it would provide a kind of a cool look. You get a set of 5 of them, so 4 doors and then one on the back, or if you have a 2-door, you would just get a set of 3, but we're gonna get these installed and see how they look. All right, so they just insert like so. They come with the mounting hardware. It is kind of, they got 2 silver screws that you just screw in, but I don't think I'm gonna like the silver. I think I'm gonna put them in and then paint them black. But they come in different colors, but I thought for my white and black Jeep, the black would probably look pretty cool. All right, got them installed. It's kind of hard to get a good shot of them, but I think it adds a cool kind of effect to the otherwise boring door handle. The only thing I don't like is you have to screw them in, so it does damage your door handles if you ever remove it, but I don't think I'll ever be removing these, especially because they're aluminum. They look like they're gonna hold up. Just gotta paint those screws. But yeah, they look awesome. Well everybody, I hope you enjoyed this quick video on these cool aluminum Jeep door inserts. I'll put a link below if you'd like to check them out on Amazon for 15 bucks. I think they give your Jeep some character. So please let me know what you think in the comments below. Please hit that like button and we'll see you in the next video.